how to change Google Play Store country. So if you want to change your Google Play Store country, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Play Store application, go with your profile, which is on the top right. From your profile, you need to go with payments and subscriptions. Under payments and subscriptions, go with your payment methods. After tapping on your payment methods, you need to tap on more options. Once you tap on more payment settings, it will take you to payments.google.com, where on the top left, you will have 3 horizontal lines. But make sure that you've added your payment method. And once you tap on it, you will have settings. Once you go with your settings, you will have country and your region. And under your country and region, you'll have a pencil-shaped icon and you'll be able to change your country or region. Or if you don't find the option, go with your profile, which is on the top right, and then go with settings. Under settings, go with general. And under general, you need to scroll down, go with account and device preferences. And here you will have country and profiles. You need to tap on learn more, and then you will have the option. Or it will guide you on how you can change your country. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.